I want us to think about an ecosystem, really an innovation ecosystem. I'll give you an example. A lot of people think about, if you were just doing something in a technology startup, you want to go to Silicon Valley, right? That's why it's got its name. But the funny thing is Silicon Valley hasn't been like this for hundreds of years or thousands of years, right? It's something that kind of happened after World War II, where the US government really invested along with companies and industries and universities to set up what we now know as Silicon Valley. So the idea here is our proposal is to build the MSK Innovation Triangle. A lot of people don't know, but Warsaw, Indiana is considered the orthopedic capital of the world. They make vast majority of the hips and knees used all over the world. Not only are they manufactured there, but they're designed and kind of the basic R&D around that technology is built around the Warsaw area. So the goal is, if you think about that, bring it down through Fort Wayne, where there's Parkview Health, bring that through Indianapolis with IUSM, the largest medical school, down to Bloomington with IU Bloomington, where there's a lot of kind of core competencies that we have around basic science. Go up through West Lafayette, where there's a lot of work around biomedical engineering. That in itself is a triangle. This research has to be commercialized. Okay, another word we use is translation, right? So what's the translation? What's the use case scenario? So it's not doing research just for the sake of doing research. It's doing research because there's a need for that research. It's understanding that whatever the output of that research is, there's a viable commercial market for it, there's a stage for it. And so one of the things we call is technology readiness level, or TRL. And so is how do we identify innovations or products or inventions in the earlier stages of TRL, and how do we help them accelerate faster and bring them to market? That's kind of what we're trying to be doing. And these new products are going to be developed in the community, but they're going to be rolled out all over the whole world. And so that's kind of when you talk about what impact do we have in the community, we're really, as Kelly and as IU, driving innovation across the entire ecosystem, not only helping an education and training workforce, but helping companies change and adapt and become more resilient in an ever-changing global economy.